Zipper failures strike over 100 million people worldwide annually, but most fixes are a breeze. Zipper failures are one of the most frustrating problems we encounter in our daily lives. From wardrobe malfunctions to lost luggage, the consequences can be embarrassing and costly. But what if I told you that most zipper failures are preventable with simple DIY repairs? In fact, by learning a few quick fixes, you can save yourself time, money, and stress in the long run. So let's dive into the world of zipper repair and explore some easy solutions to get you back on track. To start, it's essential to understand the basic anatomy of a zipper. A zipper consists of several key components, including the teeth, slider, and stops. The teeth are the interlocking parts that zip together, while the slider is the moving part that advances the teeth. The stops are the small metal pieces that prevent the slider from coming off the teeth. But what happens when one of these components fails or gets damaged? In most cases, the zipper will become jammed or stuck, making it difficult to open or close. Problem and however, repair you can get your comes in. Problem and however applying the right fix, repair you can get your comes in zipper working smoothly again. One of the most common issues with zippers is a jammed slider. To fix this, you can try applying some lubricant such as silicone spray or wax to the slider and teeth. This will help loosen any stuck parts and get the zipper moving again. But if the issue persists, you may need to replace the slider altogether. Another common problem is a broken or damaged stop. In this case, you can try replacing the stop with a new one, or even using a temporary fix, such as a paper clip. But what if the problem is more complex, such as a zipper that's been pulled too far off the teeth? In this case, you may need to disassemble the zipper and reattach it to the teeth. This can be a bit more challenging, but with the right tools and some patience, you can get the job done. So, how do you know when it's time to replace your zipper entirely? A good rule of thumb is to check the zipper for any signs of wear and tear. If the teeth are damaged, the slider is stuck, or the stops are broken, it may be time to replace the zipper. But if you're not sure, it's always best to consult a professional for advice. In conclusion, zipper failures may seem like a nightmare, but with the right DIY repairs, you can get back on track quickly and easily. By learning a few simple fixes, you can save yourself time, money, and stress in the long run. So next time you encounter a zipper problem, don't panic, just remember these easy DIY repairs and get back to living your best life. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more DIY repair tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and comment below with any questions or suggestions you may have. Happy repairing! Subscribe for more DIY repair tutorials and tips.